Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your wallpaper on Honor 200 Lite. To change your wallpaper, pinch on your home screen, then click on Wallpaper. Now you can either adjust lock screen or home screen. I'm gonna adjust lock screen. Let's press on lock screen style, and then you can choose any of those available wallpapers. I'm gonna choose my camera photos and choose this one. Okay, I can pinch to crop and I'm gonna do it like so. Okay, and I can also adjust the wallpaper for home screen. Let's select wallpaper and let's do it like that. And you can see I've set the wallpaper. Let's press on apply. And now my lock screen wallpaper looks like this. And when I unlock my device, I get to see my home screen wallpaper. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.